Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Vogue SE. So from any screen you can either click phone, or if you're on the home menu, you've got please pair phone there, and it'll go to search for new. We want to make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. Just trying to move that up, I keep knocking it off the screen. So search for new, click search for new. You're better doing it from vehicle to device rather than from device to vehicle. There you go, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, so we'll click on that. Just wait for it to come up on here. So 056 to pair and connect phone, 0569 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Connecting to Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Range Rover connected.